Research shows that children who take on household responsibilities at a younger age are more confident and capable as they grow up. Cleaning also teaches essential skills like prioritization and time management skills. For example, deciding whether it makes more sense to dust, pick up toys, or make the bed requires them to think through time in a sequence and make the choice that makes sense. Over time, these small decisions build the foundation for bigger ones, making larger choices like mortgages, careers, colleges, relationships come more naturally. And it all started with making the bed. So now that we've talked about why it's so important, let's get down to the business of how. For one, we have technology. Especially in the modern day, it's a fantastic idea to incorporate the devices you have around the house to your advantage. For example, if you or your child has a phone, you should check out the app Sweepy, Home Cleaning Schedule. Sweepy takes the guesswork out of chore delegation, creating a habitual schedule that your child will follow without having to be reminded. You can create a custom cleaning schedule for your family. Here's how it works. You assign specific tasks to your kids, like vacuuming the living room or wiping down kitchen counters. From there, the app will track their progress. This will help them manage their time far better as they have a visual of how far into the task they are. You can even turn it into a game by awarding points to the family member who gets the most done. Imagine the difference between saying, "Go clean your room," and saying, "Your task for today is to put away your toys and make your bed." Once you check it off Sweepy, you're all good. It's clear, it's specific, and it gives your child a sense of accomplishment at the end. Next up is tools like ChatGPT and other OpenAI products. The truth is, a lot of cleaning is not intuitive. If you ask your child to do the laundry, they may not remember what fabric softener is versus what detergent is. And while they should always be welcome to ask you, helping them gain a sense of independence to research first is one of the greatest gifts you can give them. That's why encouraging them to use tools such as ChatGPT to research what they don't know is a great way to get them on that path to independence. ChatGPT can do things like explain the order you should wipe down countertop, or help them even decide what they should put away first. And if you have OpenAI Plus, it can even create pictures of the monsters they're defeating. You can also use AI to help generate cleaning schedules, fun reward ideas, or give more reasons for why cleaning is important. It's like having a personal assistant to make your life a little easier and to help your child learn how to manage their time. And the benefits here truly don't stop at a tidy house. When you involve your child in the day-to-day cleaning process, you're preparing them for life outside the home. We have a whole blog on the subject of the delegation movement. This movement prioritizes giving kids responsibilities that teach them to be self-reliant and capable in managing their time. What this is all about is separating the idea of kids' work and adult work into just one thing: making your household successful. Think about it. When your child grows up, they don't just suddenly know how to manage resources or time. They have to practice with it. By teaching them now, you're preparing them for that transition well in advance. Plus, studies have proven that children who take part in household activities feel more connected to their parents, siblings, and anyone else within the household. They have a shared responsibility, which means they also have shared pride. In total, teaching your kids to clean is not just about a tidy house. It is about giving them a life plan, life goals, and time management skills that will carry with them forever. This is one of the most important skills that you can give your child. And by arming them with tools such as AI, Sweepy, and other technologies, you're simultaneously encouraging them to see problems as opportunities rather than things in their way. So start small, get creative, and get cleaning. This has been smartbubblegum.com, and let us know if you have any other questions down below. Have a great week and see you next time.